Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the Pi network's biggest leap yet, the launch of Pi DEX. Imagine a digital marketplace where you can trade and use your Pi coins securely. No middlemen, no gatekeepers. DEX stands for Decentralized Exchange, a market built for the people, by the people. The countdown is on, and the Pi community is buzzing. For years, millions have mined Pi on their phones, waiting for this moment. Pi DEX is the gateway to finally using those coins in the real world. It's not just about trading, it's about discovering Pi's true value. Unlike complex traditional exchanges, Pi DEX is designed for everyone, making crypto accessible to all. This activation is more than a tech update. It's a shift in financial power to the users. The Pi network began with a simple idea: anyone, anywhere could mine crypto from their phone. That idea has grown into a global movement, and Pi DEX is the next step. The doors to a new digital economy are about to open. The coins you've collected can finally be used in meaningful ways. This is the start of a new chapter for the Pi community. Get ready, the revolution is here. Let's talk about the number everyone's buzzing about. $314,159. Why this number? It's a clever nod to the mathematical constant pi, 3.14159. GCV, or Global Consensus Value, is the price the Pi community has agreed one Pi coin should hold. This isn't set by a company or market, but by millions of users worldwide. It's a symbol of unity and belief in Pi's potential. By tying the value to Pi itself, the network's identity is woven into its economy. When Pi DEX launches, this GCV becomes the benchmark for all transactions. The goal? Stability from day one, avoiding wild price swings. GCV is a declaration of confidence, a community saying, "This is what we believe our creation is worth." It's a revolutionary, bottom-up approach to value in crypto. The success of GCV depends on the community's commitment to honor it. It's a bold experiment in shared vision and economic power. What happens when a digital currency locks in a high, stable price like $314,159? Instantly, Pi shifts from potential to reality, attracting attention from investors, developers, and businesses. For small business owners, a stable, valuable currency means new opportunities to accept Pi as payment. This could spark a wave of adoption and real-world utility. For early pioneers, it's validation and a reward for their faith. But with high value comes responsibility. The network must stay secure and fair. The GCV isn't the finish line, it's the starting gun. Now, the real work begins. Building a thriving, sustainable Pi economy. The future depends on how well the community rises to the challenge. Pi DEX isn't just about price, it's about powerful new tools. The main feature: trading Pi for other digital assets, all in a decentralized, user-controlled environment. No central authority, your funds, your rules. Expect features like liquidity pools, where you can earn rewards by supporting the exchange. Integration with the Pi browser means you can use Pi across apps, buy goods, and manage assets seamlessly. The goal? A smooth, user-friendly experience for everyone, not just crypto experts. Simple, clean interfaces and clear instructions will make it easy to get started. Pi DEX is about lowering barriers and empowering millions to join the digital economy. It's not just a tool for trading, it's the foundation of a new financial world. Get ready to explore what's possible. Beyond the tech, Pi's real impact is on people's lives. Imagine a freelance artist selling digital art directly to a global audience, paid in Pi. Or a farmer bypassing middlemen, selling produce through a Pi-powered marketplace. Fast, low-fee transactions mean more money in their pockets. For students, years of mining Pi could now help pay for tuition or living expenses. Pi empowers the unbanked, giving access to a global financial system via a phone. These aren't just stories, they're real possibilities. The Pi network's mission is to distribute financial power more broadly. With Pi DEX and GCV, this vision is becoming reality. It's about building a fairer, more prosperous world for everyone. Why all the excitement? It's the power of community. Pi isn't just software. It's a global movement of millions united by a single idea. Years of mining and building have led to this moment. The GCV and DEX activation are a celebration of collective effort. Pi's fairness sets it apart. Anyone could mine, and the value is set by the community, not a few elites. This democratic approach makes everyone feel invested. For many, Pi is hope, a chance to build a new, more inclusive economy. The buzz is contagious. Social media is alive with pioneers sharing their dreams. This viral energy draws in new users, growing the movement. The excitement is a testament to the strength of a united community. The Pi network's greatest asset isn't technology, it's its people. Together, they're turning a dream into reality. The journey is just beginning. Turning digital coins into real-world value takes time and vision. Pi's first step was mass distribution. Millions mined coins on their phones. Next came infrastructure. The Pi browser, developer tools, and KYC for security. Now, with Pi DEX and GCV, the network is ready for real economic activity. This is the leap from closed transfers to an open global economy. The value of Pi will be proven by its utility, what you can actually do with it. As businesses accept Pi and new apps launch, a circular economy will emerge. The goal: earn, spend, and use Pi in daily life. This is how digital coins become real money. The future is about building utility and belief. The road ahead for Pi is filled with opportunity. For developers, Pi DEX is a launchpad. Build dApps for a massive, ready user base. Entrepreneurs can accept Pi, reaching new customers and lowering costs. Small businesses can compete globally, free from high fees and currency barriers. For users, Pi means empowerment. Invest, spend, save, or support causes you care about. Imagine Pi-based crowdfunding or investing in new businesses on the network. The possibilities are endless, but challenges remain. The community must stay united, overcome technical hurdles, and adapt to regulations. With a strong foundation and passionate users, Pi is ready for the next chapter. The journey so far has built potential. Now, it's time to realize it. In conclusion, we're on the edge of a new era for Pi. The DEX and GCV aren't just updates, they're symbols of hope and change. Pi's vision is about more than money. It's about inclusion and empowerment. The community's patience and faith are finally being rewarded. The future is one where opportunity isn't limited by geography or wealth. Success will be built by millions, developers, businesses, and users together. This is true decentralization, a shared project and a shared success. The future of Pi is in the hands of its community. Let's celebrate this milestone and look forward with optimism. Whether you're a pioneer or new to Pi, this is your moment. Big ideas, backed by passionate people, can change the world. The story of Pi is just beginning. The future is decentralized. Thank you for joining us.